The Bissell PROHEAT 2X Revolution Max Professional is one of Bissell's most powerful upright full-size carpet and upholstery washers. It will allow you to clean rooms of carpet, your area rugs, plus your fabric upholstery like your couch, your mattress, and even inside your car. The Revolution Max Professional 2457P will come with 3 cleaning modes. You'll be able to choose from Max Mode, which will give you the deepest clean for those heavily soiled carpets, Deep Clean Mode, which is for your general cleaning, and then Express Mode, which will have your carpets dry in about half an hour. As well as deep cleaning the floors, the Revolution Max Professional will come with a series of tools to be able to clean your upholstery, including your 2.4 metre upholstery hose and 4 accessories to connect to it. Those 4 accessories are the 3-inch Tough Stain tool, the 2-in-1 Pet Upholstery tool, the 3-in-1 Stair tool, and the 2-in-1 Spraying Crevice tool. Plus, you'll receive 3 sample bottles of Bissell's Top Shelf formula, a sample of the Wash and Protect Professional formula, a sample of the antibacterial to sanitize your carpets, and a sample of the OxyBoost to boost the performance of the formula to ensure those set-in old stains are taken care of. And you can pick up the full-sized bottles of Bissell Formula in-store and online. Let's get started by tipping this hot chocolate on the carpet. It's important to pre-treat any old or tough stains with one of the Bissell pre-treatment sprays or the built-in Clean Shot function about 10 minutes before using the machine. Then fill up the clean water tank with warm water along with a dash of Bissell Formula and OxyBoost. When you're ready, turn the machine on, recline it with the foot pedal and move the machine slowly over the area, pressing the trigger and the handle on the forward pass to release the water and solution. Along with powerful suction, the PROHEAT Revolution Max Professional has dual dirt lifter power brushes to scrub and massage your carpet and lift even the most deep down dirt, allergens, stains and odours. You're in total control of how much water is released when you press the trigger. And to dry the area, simply continue to clean with the trigger released. Once the dirt tank is full, the machine will automatically shut off the suction, letting you know it's time to empty. Then remove the dirt tank and dispose of the dirty water. The Bissell formulas are biodegradable and safe for the environment and your family, including asthmatics and pets. Well, that's the Bissell PROHEAT 2X Revolution Max Professional, available in-store and online now. In the box with the machine, you'll receive the 2.4 metre upholstery hose and the 4 accessories to connect to it, plus your 3 sample bottles of Bissell formula. The machine itself will come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee through Bissell.